Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use Capital One Shopping. So basically Capital One Shopping is a free tool to find deals online. So if you scroll down we can see how does Capital One Shopping work. So basically you're going to have to install a Chrome extension. So as you can see, all you need to do is to add the extension to your desktop browser. So if I click on it, I can simply click on add to Chrome, and then I'm gonna get redirected here where I can simply add this to my browser. And basically when you go to, let's say, Amazon or other online retailer, you're gonna have this extension that is looking for a coupon for you that you can use and save money. So as you can see, we can see here different prices. They compare the pricing, they add a discount and everything, and then you can buy it at a lower price. So all you have to do, as I said, is to add this Chrome extension, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.